Hello guys, so for today's video ay sasagutan natin ang learning task 1 ng geometric sequence. Ano pa natin? Tara, let's go. Number 1, directions. Determine if the pattern illustrates geometric sequence or not. Kung geometric daw siya or hindi. Number 1, i-divide lang natin siya sa kanyang 128 divide 64 is 2. (64) is 2. Divide 2. 32 divide 16 is 2. And 16 divide 8 is 2. So pareho sila ng common ratio. It is a geometric Number 2, 20 divide 16 is 1.25. And 16 divide 12 is 1.33. Oh, sa pag-divide natin sa 20 divide 16 and 16 divide 12, makikita natin na hindi na tulad ng common ratio, so it is not geometric. Number 3, 2 divide 1 is 2. 1 divide negative 2 I mean 1 half is 2. 1 half plus 1 divide 1/4 is 2. And 1/4 divide 1/8 is 2. So pareho sila ng common ratio. Masasabi kong ito ay geometric sequence. Number 4, 139 27 81. Let's try to divide it. 81 divide 27 is 3. 27 divide 9 is 3. 9 divide 3 is 3. And 3 divide 1 is 3. So pagkapare ng common ratio, isa siyang geometric sequence. Number 5, 15 14 13 12 10. So 10 divide 12 is 0.83. 12 divide 0.923. So masasabi natin na hindi siya geometric sequence kasi hindi natulad yung kanyang common ratio. And napapansin ko ay isa siyang arithmetic sequence, not. Wow, ganyan lang kadali ang learning task 1. Thanks for watching, and 93% of you have not subscribed, so please do subscribe.